Hello and welcome to the week ahead video. Just a couple of things to brief you on the next 5 trading sessions. We have reached the week with the debt ceiling deadline, that's on October the 17th, with the Republicans and the Democrats still at loggerheads in Washington with no resolution and continued partial government shutdown. As such, we could see at the end of this week the world's biggest economy suffering from default, but it is worth noting that some of the more major payments are not actually due till the 23rd of October, so it could give a bit of extension and a bit less pressure on the lawmakers over on Capitol Hill. So let's see any progression between the two parties in America as we progress through the next 5 days, which also culminates with some of the larger financial companies in the US reporting their performance, following on from the strong report last Friday from Wells Fargo and JP Morgan. So we have Goldman Sachs, Bank of America and Morgan Stanley, all due over the next 5 days, comes alongside Google, Johnson & Johnson and Coca-Cola, to name just a few. Elsewhere over in the Eurozone, we have the continued concerns in regards to the debt crisis as some of the programme countries actually emerge towards the end of their programmes themselves. So Portugal, Ireland, as well as the Spanish banking sector, all looking at a potential exit in the next 6 to 12 months. But on the data slate this week, we have the ZEW survey from Germany, expected to marginally increase, but it is worth bearing in mind we did see a weaker University of Michigan confidence number last week, so if that is reflected in Germany this week, could potentially see a disappointing figure. So we'll focus on those debt ceiling talks and the continued Q3 earnings season in the US, but in the meantime, that's all from me. I hope you have a fantastic week.